Hey guys,
Hey, it's me again.
Here, and today we're going to be doing adding kinetic sand and beads and loom bands.
Loom bands don't work. I've done that on my channel.
You don't have a channel, dummy.
Yeah, that's our imaginary friend.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your channel called?
The Amazing Life of Bob.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't actually have one. I
Oh,
used. To.
No, we don't.
Okay, the first one I'm going to do is loom bands.
I got loom bands here.
Okay. So,
Oh my god! Ew, ew,
Okay, guys.
ew, ew, ew.
be quiet. I'm
Pass,
trying
pass,
to do
pass,
a video
pass,
here.
pass.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, that's gone gross.
Are you that excited to be in a
that's-
YouTube video?
This and kinetic sand with this.
Yeah, it's
Can I add the kinetic slime?
Sand.
Sands.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a loom band in it.
I added loom bands into
And
it,
a loom band.
and it feels really weird. It's
I'm adding
crunchy.
this much kinetic sand.
You should really add more.
Oh no, this is
Oh
actually.
my god, you can actually stretch the connect.
This is my sand.
Yeah, because they're stretchy.
Sorry that it's really noisy. I need my face to be clear. I'm around my friend's house right now.
Oh, this
Okay, I'm
is.
still mixing the kinetic sand.
And we're going to be making slime, so you can go check out that video when I'm done it. This is
We're almost
so
done
good.
editing it.
Yeah, this slime will never dry out. Actually, yes it will.
Can you edit videos?
Yes.
I used to have a private YouTube channel.
I've added kinetic sand. Put the camera over here.
I don't want to have a private YouTube channel because I want to read all your guys' comments.
There, I've added.
Kinetic
Look
sand.
Okay, Bailey.
It's got brown eyes.
You know,
Wrong.
Ew! It was gross.
Why is it?
I've no idea what it is.
ew.
Oh god, you letting this sit. Should we mix it all together now?
Yeah, in a minute. This one's the bead slime. And a few
We
beads.
have some beads.
So we have some beads.
And this is the.
So we just take these ones.
Do you mind if I put this teeny bead in?
Yeah.
Teeny bead.
Yeah.
Get rid of that, Bailey.
Why?
Oh,
Ew.
God.
Bam!
Sorry, guys.
Get rid of that.
Do you want me to throw out the window?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe more than that.
Excuse.
One sec. So we're gonna add more loom bands.
No,
These
because mum and dad will. Oh, that hurt. No,
Okay, you need to be
I've
more
got-
quiet and then.
I've got a long throw, so.
Can I put these in here now? Can I mix them together?
Just don't let anyone see you.
Hey guys.
I'm gonna turn the camera around because there's some weird stuff happening back there. That's just that really bad slime.
Oh, no. Throw that in the bin.
Yeah.
Okay, it's around facing
If
you.
this goes wrong, I'm chucking all of this in the bin and then keeping it off. Maybe this.
Okay, keep the camera facing on me because yeah,
My hands are now slimy.
I'm a YouTuber. Okay, you can add that one. Let's add a little bit more kinetic sand.
No, that's my sand.
Just a little bit.
Oh, good. Why is this kind of hard? No, wait. Do this.
I get to mix it in.
I'm
It's
gonna
like-
go wash my hands.
It's like clay slime.
I'm gonna. Do you think I should add water to this?
Yeah. Okay, guys, this is what the slime turned out. It's really smooth and crunchy. I'm gonna add. Sorry about all that noise. It's just my friends going crazy. I know my YouTube channel's not always like that, but they're just a bit crazy because it's their first time. Yep. You never be angry on my channel, just to say. I think I just ruined the slime. Wait, I need to mix it in.
Wait, I wanna mix.
Yay, now it's like a purple.
There's water in here. Oh, Dad.
look.
Can I go?
I could show him right now. Get change. Don't let them see you. They just
Step over the
Baz, what have
camera.
you done to my blimmin' lip balm?
What the heck?
Bailey.
What the heck?
Oh well. We have actual sand.
Yeah, my sand. Where's my sand?
Oh.
Where's my sand?
Yeah. Kinetic sand is basically the same as sand.
No, we got actual sand.
Actual sand. Actual sands. You're not putting any in slime.
Only a little bit.
Teensy.
Okay.
Why do you have real slime? Sand.
I don't know.
This is underwater.
I'm gonna need you two to get out and move the camera.
Why?
I'm tip.
It's not facing you, is it?
Okay, guys, we need to move because he.
Yeah, I've got all my stuff there. And now there's slime on it. Great.
Do it here, Lily. Put the camera facing this. I'm just getting the sound.
Oh, this is. Yeah, it's
That's
good.
for that. You can move back here now.
No,
No, we're fine here.
Where'd my slime go?
I think it's not there.
yeah. Baz, we're only using that much if that's okay.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, put it in here. Oh, that's rainbow.
Yeah. It's
Okay,
nice.
Ready? I love doing this.
That. Oh my god, the water just came out.
It's okay.
How much?
Hey, you're facing the camera. Move your butt.
Oh my god. Sorry about that.
Sorry,
It's just my giant.
But oh, Bailey, you put water on it.
It's okay. Okay, guys, this is what we have for this video. But this,
That's all the time for this video.
that's all the kinetic sand and stuff.
This
Okay.
isn't kinetic.
Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. And make sure
Leave a comment.
You stole my slime.